Hello Chris. How are you?
I am good. What about you?
Yeah, I am also good. How is your business going?
My business is totally dropped down due to the impact of coronavirus. I don't know what to do.
So why don't you try to run your business online?
Oh really? Is it possible? How can I do that?
I know a company that can help you in setting and promoting your business in the digital world. I am sharing the contact with you. You should talk to them.
Hello. Is that Shobit Anand from Simran IT Services?
Yeah, speaking. How can I help you?
Due to the impact of coronavirus, my business has totally dropped down. I want you to make a website for my business. I want an e-commerce website through which my customers can buy my stuff online.
Sure, sir. We will create an e-commerce website for your business.
Hi Chris. How is your business going now?
As you can see, with the help of Simran IT Services, my business has gone to the next level. Their strategies of digital marketing is really awesome. Thanks buddy for your suggestion, and a big thank you to Mr. Shobit Anand and Simran IT Services.